Hello my dear friends, welcome to my AI Discovery channel. Last video I teach about how to use AI avatar with Chat GPT and I was happy to share with you all. Now we move to the tutorial. Chat GPT can make your entire PowerPoint presentation for you. Here's how. Now obviously you are going to get better results that you give Chat GPT the information for the slides.
Now today, I'm going to show you how to use me to create PowerPoint slides. And let me tell you, it's going to be a wild ride. First off, let's talk about this so-called overview. I've got this beautiful 10-step process for you to use. It's cool, sure, it might take a little longer than you'd like, but doesn't love a good challenge. Here we go. Step 1. Create a strict prompt that creates an outline with titles and content. Act like a marketing professional. The topic is solution selling. Create a detailed outline with bullet points based on the topic. Step 2. Have me convert the outline to HTML. That's right. I'm making HTML cool again. Step 3. Copy from Chat GPT and now open NOTEPAD. Paste into a notepad. It's like copy and paste, but with extra steps. Step 4. Save the file as an HTML document. It's all about those file formats, baby. Step 5. Open the HTML document in Microsoft. Step 6. Change the file format to docs, because I love changing things back. Step 7. Open in Word 365. I'm keeping things fresh. Step 8. Now go to the file and click the export in your PowerPoint. Step 9. Here you can see the export to PowerPoint option. Click that. It's like I'm performing a magic trick. Step 10. Open locally. We are back to basics, baby. And there you have it, dear, the Chat GPT way of creating PowerPoint slides. Yes, great. Here I'm to help you all, my dear friends. Kindly subscribe my channel and like. And my Instagram page AI Discovery 1. Any doubts, DM me or ask in comment box. We will meet on next video.